If the washer-tub in your washer-dryer combo won't spin, here are the 7 most probable causes. On most washer-dryer combos, the lid or door switch prevents the washer-tub from spinning when the lid or door is open. If the switch is defective, then the tub won't spin or agitate, even with the lid or door closed. You can use a multimeter to determine if the switch has continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the switch tests negative for continuity, then it will need to be replaced. On some washer-dryer combos, a motor coupler connects the motor to the washer transmission. The coupler can wear out over time or fail if the washer is overloaded, causing the tub not to spin. If your washer uses a belt to spin the tub, the belt may have broken or may be slipping on the pulleys. In either case, the belt should be replaced. Some models have a stator and rotor that interact to create a strong magnetic field which rotates the tub. If the stator windings or rotor magnets are damaged, the tub may not spin or agitate until one or both of the components are replaced. Models with a transmission will have a clutch which helps the tub to gradually get up to the proper spin speed. If the clutch is worn out, the tub will have trouble spinning. On washer-dryer combos that feature a front-load washer, the rear of the outer tub has a bearing or bearings in it to keep the inner tub spinning smoothly. If the bearing system is defective, the inner tub may not spin properly. While some tub bearings are sold separately, due to the difficulty of installing them, we recommend replacing both the outer tub and bearing as an assembly if the manufacturer offers the components together. The washer drive motor may be defective as well, although this isn't a common problem. If the drive motor hums but fails to run, runs noisily, or doesn't turn freely, you should replace it with a new one. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your washer-dryer combo.